Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide posts you liked on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the Instagram setting. I'm going to open up my profile, and then I'm going to click on these three lines on the top right to go to the Instagram settings and activity. Okay, and here we need to scroll down until we find likes you've made, and you can tap on this option, and then you can simply select this option, don't allow anyone to see likes, and then the post you liked on Instagram will be hidden from your followers. Okay, and for your information guys, that this option is not available for all Instagram accounts because I don't have this option on my another Instagram account. I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up my second account on Instagram. I'm going to go to the Instagram setting and activity. Okay, and here I'm going to scroll down to find the like you've made option. As you can see guys, that there is no likes you've made option on this account. I can only hide the like and share count on my Instagram, so there is no option to hide posts I liked on Instagram. But don't worry guys, if you don't have this option on your Instagram, I recommend you to report this problem to Instagram, and I hope the Instagram will give this option to your account. If you want to report problem, you can go to the report problem menu. You can go to this help option, and then you can select report a problem, and then we can report a problem right here. Okay, I'm going to click on continue, and here you can explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram account, and you just need to explain that you don't have likes you've made option, and you can upload the evidence or screenshot, and then once you're ready to share it to the Instagram, you can click on send. Okay guys, and that's all the way to hide posts we liked on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.